Hello everyone, welcome to Naurusa CSC tutorial and hope you're all following my channel. And those are following my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment on my lecture sections if you have any doubt on my lectures, and please share my videos. So thank you. So starting with upper bound and lower bound. Let's get started with upper bound. Let A be a subset of a poset S less than equals to an element M in S is called an upper bound of A if x less than equals to M for all x in A. M succeeds every element of A. So there is a poset S less than equals to, and there also exists a subset to that poset, and the subset name is A, and there also exists an element M, and M is the greatest or will be the greatest element of A, cause M will be greater than all other element present in A. So there M is called an upper bound, where M will succeed every element of A. An element M in S is called a lower bound of A if M less than equals to x for all x in A. M precedes every element of A. So what is lower bound? Where there exists an element M in S, and that M is less than equals to x, like M will be less than to all other elements present in A. So that is the lower bound of A, and M precedes every element of A. Let me explain you with an example. Let S is consist of these elements be a set. Consider the poset PS and subset. Like PS is the power set of S. Like PS will consist of all the subset of S, where PS is power set of S. Let A is consist of BC, AC and B be a subset of the power set PS. So clearly this is the subset of PS, and power set is nothing but all the collection of subset of to S. So BC, AC, ACE and B. So clearly this is the subset of PS. Here the element of PS M is equal to AB CE is an upper bound of A because every set in the collection A is subset of M. Like we know that from the definition of upper bound that M, there exists an element M which is greater than equal to all other element present in A. So the total element of A is BC, AC and B. So M is consist of A, B, C, E. So if we pick the all other element is belong to M, so we can see that the A is consist of B, C, A, C and B, and the total element here is A, B, C, E, and M is consist of all the elements. So obviously the upper bound of A is M, because every set in the collection A is subset to M. BC is a subset of M. ACE is also subset to M. B is also subset of M. So that is why M is the upper bound here. And phi is a lower bound of A, because phi is a null set, and null set is obviously will be a lower bound of A. Here are some of the notes belong to upper bound and lower bound. A set may have no upper bound or lower bound. If a set has greatest or least element, then it is upper or lower bound of the set. A set may have two or more upper bound and lower bound. Now bounded set. If a set A has an upper bound, we say A is bounded above, and if A has a lower bound, we say A is bounded below. A set is called bounded if A is bounded above and bounded below. Now supremum or least upper bound. Let A be a subset of a poset A is less than equals to. An element M in S is said to be supremum or exact upper bound or least upper bound of A if these two conditions follows, like x less than equals to M for all x in A, like x is all other elements of A, and M less than equals to y whenever y is an upper bound of A. Supremum of A is denoted by sup of A. An element M in S is said to be infimum or exact lower bound, ELB or greatest lower bound of A if these two conditions follows, like M less than equals to x for all x in A, y less than equals to M whenever y is a lower bound of A. Infimum of A is denoted by inf A. Here are some of the notes belong to supremum or infimum. Supremum or infimum may not exist. Supremum or infimum, if exist, is unique. If an upper bound or lower bound of a set belongs to the set, then it is supremum or infimum of the set. So if a set has greatest or least element, then it is supremum or infimum of the set. So today I have discussed upper bound, lower bound, supremum, infimum, these four topics. And on my next video, I'll be sharing more and more examples on these four topics so the concept will go better. So for today, I'm just ending this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my lecture sections. If you have any doubt, I'll be answering there. So, thank you.